Hello everyone. Uh, Let us start to exercise 7.1. Right, but before that, uh, let me do some revision. In the last video, you have seen that, or you have understood that the congruence rules for the triangle. Right, there were 4 rules I explained you. Right, first one was angle, side angle, then side angle side, then RHS rule, right angle, hypotenuse and side, and the fourth one was side side side. Right, so basically two triangle can be congruent if three part. Right, a triangle having 6 parts, agree? Right, out of the 6 parts, if the 3 part are congruent, then you can say that those two triangles are congruent. Right, so in this way you can check the congruence of the triangle. Right, now let us do the exercise 7.1. Let us apply those rules here. The question 1 is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equals to AD and AB bisect angle A. हमें क्या दिया है फिगर में? AC is equals to AD. AC is equals to AD we have given, right, and AB bisect, ये जो AB है वो किसको बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है? एंगल A को. दिस इज एंगल A. तो AB एंगल A को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, मीन्स व्हाट, वो एंगल A को इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देगा. राइट, मीन्स CAB इज इक्वल्स टू DAB. राइट, ओके, अगर बाइसेक्टर है तो वो एंगल को इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है. राइट, एंड यू नो दैट. ओके, let us start with the answers now. Consider the triangle ABC and ABD. Consider these two triangle ABC and ABD. Okay, एक upper triangle and एक lower triangle. Let us consider that. Okay, in these two triangles, can you say AC is equals to AD? AC is equals to AD. We can say, because we have already given this, right? AC is equals to AD, so we can write AC equal to AD. Okay, next, this, can I write AB is equals to AB? Of course I can write, because the AB is the common side in both the triangles, so obviously that will be the equal, right? So common side, that's why it is equal. Next, angle CAB, which CAB, this angle is equals to angle DAB. Right, these two angles are also equal. Earlier also I told you, because AB bisect angle A, so bisector will divide the two angles into equal parts, so we can say these two angles are equal. Right, so we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by rule SAS. Right, side, angle and side, that is SAS rule. By that rule we can say these two triangles, upper triangle and lower triangle, are congruent. This is the sign of congruence. Don't get confused, this is the sign of the congruence. Right, so by SAS rule we can say these two triangles are congruent. Right, okay, so we have shown this part. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Right, now next, what can you say about BC and BD? What can you say about this BC and BD? So we can say BC is equals to BD. Why? Because by CPCT. Now what is CPCT? It is the corresponding part of congruent triangles. Right, if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. Right, means all the three sides of first triangle is equals to all the three sides of second triangle, as well as all the three angles of the first triangle will be equal to the all the three angle of the second triangle. Both will be same. Right, so that is called the corresponding part of congruent triangle, CPCT. Right, so in this way you AC is equals to BD. Let us start the second sum. What it says, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equals to BC. AD is equals to BC, right? And this is the quadrilateral, right? And angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. DAB, this angle is equals to this angle, right? Both these angles are equal, right? As you can see in the figure. Okay, then what we want to prove, the first part is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. What? ABD is congruent to BAC, right? These two triangles are congruent, that we want to show. Okay, so let us see towards the solution. Let us start with the first one. Okay, consider the triangle ABD and BAC. Let's consider these two triangles. एक तो ये triangle पूरा और दूसरा ये triangle, right? Let us consider that. Now can you say AD is equals to BC? Of course we can say AD is equals to BC because we have already given. See, AD is equals to BC is given to us, so we can write AD is equals to BC. Next, AD and BC. Okay. Next is AB. AB is the common side in both the triangles, right? So obviously it will be equal, right? Next is angle. These two angles are also equal, DAB and CBA, because you have given, right? So you can say the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by which rule? SAS, side, angle and side rule. We can say that two triangles are congruent, right? Okay, so first part we have proved. Okay, now second part is this one. BD is equals to AC. BD is equals to AC. In the figure, where is BD? This is BD, this is AC, right? We want to show both are equal, right? So let us start with the second part. We have already proved that triangle ABD and triangle BAC are congruent, right? Our A part, we have proved that. So therefore we can say that BD is equals to AC, right? ये BD and AC क्या है? ये दोनों हमने जो congruent triangle बताए हैं उन्हीं के पार्ट है, BD and AC, right? So by CPCT, right, by CPCT you can say that BD is equals to AC, corresponding part of the congruent triangles, that is CPCT. और उसकी वजह से आप कह सकते हैं both the sides are equal, right? Now let us start the third part. थर्ड पार्ट में हमें क्या दिखाना है? एंगल ABD इक्वल टू एंगल BAC. ABD ये एंगल इक्वल टू BAC ये एंगल, राइट? ये दोनों एंगल हमें इक्वल बताने हैं, तो ये एंगल एंड ये एंगल, राइट, इक्वल बताने हैं. फिर हम सेम क्राइटेरिया यूज़ करेंगे जो हमने ऑलरेडी प्रूव कर लिया है कि ट्राइंगल ABD इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल BAD, राइट? ABD ट्राइंगल एंड BAD. एक मिनट. ABD, where is ABD? This is ABD triangle, right? And BAC, this triangle, right? Both are the equal, both are the congruent we have shown, right? So therefore by CPCT, right, we can say that ABD is equals to BAC, right? वो दोनों भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल के ही पार्ट है, एंगल्स है, राइट? तो वो भी क्या होंगे? इक्वल, राइट?